Hello guys, and welcome back to ZohMaiGames. It's me, Ryan, like always. And well, there's this game called White Noise Online that I've only played it once, and I never want to play it again because it actually scared me that one time. It was like 4 in the morning. But you know, I decided, hey, why not record it if it scares the fuck out of me? So this is like a Slender, somewhat based game, except it's not. That's all I can say. And instead of collecting notes, you need to collect tapes. I haven't found any. This is a gameplay experience. Play with the lights off and the volume turned up. After the disappearance of several people under mysterious circumstances around Europe, the authorities remain clueless. Diverse groups of adventurers have gathered in a vain attempt to uncover the truth behind these strange events. The only clue that each of these cases have is in common are mysterious tape recorders scattered close to the last place where the victims were seen alive. Those tapes only contain unintelligible noise, but who knows what message is buried underneath. They're the only witness left, aren't they? I don't know. Okay, White Noise Online. God damn. I can't play online because I don't have Xbox Live, so let's just start the game random. Oh, let's see. Isla Grande, Saint Martin, Kivotia, or Chateau. I'll let fate. Oh, there's difficulties. Okay, there's easy, normal, hard, and nightmare. Let's do normal. Yeah. Oh, come on, people. Who will be assigned to investigate the area? That's a mystery itself. I can be that guy. Oh, your face is not normal. Okay. Abandoned by his parents in a covenant, Kurt has become a lonely and cautious person. He now dedicates his life to paranormal activities research. Oh, that's cool. Okay, this is Velma from Scooby-Doo. And Marie loves cookies, boat rides, and kittens. But that does not stop her from investigating unsolved crimes in her free time. So she's a Tumblr person. Okay. This is... yeah. Despite his fear of the dark, John Liu tries his best to uncover the truth behind the so-called supernatural events, risking his own life in the process. And this chick, after playing hide-and-go-seek in her parents' labyrinth garden, Sarah realized it was smarter to hide than close her eyes when in peril. Okay, I haven't unlocked these people. You're funny. Okay. So I'm gonna be PewDiePie, the guy who looks like Pewdie. Loading. Find all the tape recorders. Oh, fuck. Okay, pick up flashlight and run. Okay, I run like this. Okay, so like apparently like, oh okay, I can run with either triggers. Okay, so like, you know, there's a tape recorder when you start hearing static and stuff, and I forgot how to tell if like the monster's around you. But hey, we'll find out and we'll have fun with it. Yep, I'm pumped and I'm not scared. You should see my face right now. I'm like, ugh. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Ugh, it's a tree. Okay, let's see if we can find one in here. Let's see if we can find one around here. I don't see anything. Oh, I hear static. At least I think it's static. Or snake. Oh. Is there one around here? I'm close. What is that noise? What is that noise? Do you guys hear it? It's scaring the fuck out of me. Oh, it better not be the fucking monster. Oh, I swear to God. What the fuck? Okay, so it's somewhere over here. I hate this. Okay, it's not on there. I don't like the static. Oh. Okay, guys, I hate this game. What the fuck? Where is it? Oh, hey. Tiggle bitties. I heard something. I heard something. I heard something. I heard the monster. Fuck. Where's the goddamn tape? Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, fuck you, statue. Scaring the fuck out of me. Okay, so now that I found the first one, he's bound to show up. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Okay. Oh shit. The controller vibrates intensely. I'm running. I know that. I mean, obviously, you know, like any Slender player will tell you, oh, don't run, he only comes after you. But listen, I don't give a fuck. Okay, cause he's just a pussy. Okay, I mean, I'll take him down. You know, I'll beat him in Call of Duty. You know, Call of Duty for the win, bitch. Old noob tube is. Fucker! Fuck! Run! Just run! Oh my god, I hate this game. Oh no, I'm cornered. Oh, God, don't. Okay. I don't like this. Oh my god. I'm gonna turn around. He's gonna be right there. He's gonna be okay. He's not. Thank goodness. Good go. Is this a tunnel? Okay, I think I hear a tape. Fuck you, man. Fuck. Why can't I move? Oh, trees in the way. Okay, well, he's not over there anymore. Oh my god. I hate this. Just run. So I found one tape. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck this. Oh my god. What's that? Okay, yeah, it shows me where I walked in distance. No, exit game. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed me screaming like a little girl and pissing my pants. I'm gonna sleep with my bear tonight. Like and favorite this video if you enjoyed. Share this video to get this video around of me screaming like a girl and pissing my pants. And also, share this, share me to so I can get around. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see me play more of this, like this video or comment on if I should play. Also, comment down below some indie games that I can download for free on Xbox Live. I hate you guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Catchphrase and booyah. Stay epic.